here we go. All right, go for it.
Good. Through the smaller hole. Out the bigger side. Just one loop. Turn off the excess.
About a 1/4 inch tag.
Yep.
And then pull both of those tight so he knows how much thread's sticking out
Okay.
on both ends.
Yep.
He pulls it taut.
Seat that into the reel. Maybe if it goes. Leaving about that much excess on it.
That's about 6 inches.
Yep.
All right. Pulls them tight. Drops them in.
Yep. Drop the blades into the wider spacing on those gaps. Have to push the other opposite sides in until it drops. Pop it up. 1/4 turn.
So to the left to tighten it.
Yep.
Yep. And then he draws in all the string.
Yep.
Good job, Joe. Cool.